Welcome to Part 2 of the Design and Technology Lab's Guide to the Ricoh Flatbed UV Printer. In this video, we will cover the recommended Illustrator workflow and file requirements for printing. This guide operates under the assumption that you have a basic understanding of Adobe Illustrator. When you are setting up your Illustrator file, select the CMYK color mode to ensure your file is compatible with the printer. Before you produce an image for printing, consider if you will be using the 3 additional Ricoh inks aside from CMYK in full bleed or spot. Here are some suggested uses for these inks. White can be used to create a bright and clean base for printing on non-white surfaces, such as wood or acrylic. Primer acts like a glue to help inks better adhere to surfaces like metals and makes the ink more durable over time. And clear will lay a finishing gloss on your job. If you are only using CMYK in your print, complete your image and save your file as a PDF, including your full name and project title in the file. Additionally, the UV printer will accept files in the format of JPEG, PNG, and TIFF. If you are using white, primer, or clear ink, you may need to indicate them with color swatches and organize them as separate layers for export. To set up the 3 swatches, open the Swatch tab, create a new swatch folder, create a new swatch, change the color type to spot color, name it Spot 1 for white, and change the color mode to cyan at 100%. Now, create a second swatch named Spot 2 for clear and adjust the color to 100% magenta. Finally, create a third swatch named Spot 3 for primer at 100% yellow. There are 3 options for your file setup depending on where the ink will sit on your print. If the ink is overlaying your primary image in a different shape, create another layer and apply the according swatch. You'll need to export 2 files, one of the primary image and the second of the overlaid design in the according swatch. If the additional ink is integrated into the image as a specific shape, apply the swatch that coordinates with that ink and save your PDF normally. If the additional ink is to cover the total area of the print job, there are no additional steps required and you can save your PDF normally. Once you have produced your file for printing, you are ready to prepare the job in the Onyx RIP queue and send it to the UV controller to print.